being out here at the Skywalk. It's wonderfully peaceful and very serene, and then the silence is punctuated by lots of drones.
Oh, is that a different one?
That's another drone. One of the main attractions here in the Kalbarri National Park is the Skywalk. And if you're a frequenter of this channel, then you know how I am with heights. But just looking at pictures of this Skywalk, it does not look like a place that anyone that has a fear of heights would want to be. We're here at the Skywalk. I'm not looking forward to walking out on that jutting platform that extends outward and just hangs over the cliff. You know, you gotta do at least one thing per day that scares you. Someone said that. And I think this constitutes as something that scares me. Anything involving heights. I could just climb a ladder every day and then that'll be enough. You can see the Skywalk right there. There it is. Look at that. It's a grating, so you could see just how high up you are. And onto the Skywalk. Whoa! I think it's better if I don't look down. So this is good. I like rails. I like guards. I don't like looking down. Holy shit. Oy, 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 oy. Okay. Did you look down?
I am. Someone's hat is down there. Oh, there's the shaking.
Just a little vibration. Hello, people on the other Skywalk. I don't like how this thing shakes. As people walk on it, you feel it like, kind of like standing on a diving board.
What does it do? Oh.
Really not as bad as the photographs make it seem.
Think of worse places to have lunch?
Mm-hmm. Eat our wraps.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So far, yum.
Phony W. Hold your hat. It's a bit windy up here. Just scan below us, you'll spot at least a couple of those hats. There's a fedora. I need some more batteries for the GoPro. Looking a bit low, mate. We're here at Z-Bend. Starting Z-Bend, 1.2 Ks round. Yep, I locked the car. Look at this, look at the flies on Ling's hat.
Yeah, I saw a guy walking out from here and he had, I swear to God, 15 on his back.
Ugh. Watch out, a snake. Once again, we've reconnected with the Murchison River, Western Australia's longest river, and one of the longest rivers in all of Australia. The Europe turd.
The Europe turd?
Europe turd. It's one of the first land-dwelling species left this track right here. 400 million-year-old tracks right there. When the rivers were drying up for survival, it had to leave its aquatic wonderland and venture out onto dry land, and that was the beginning of everything, where its descendants include spiders, cicadas, and other insects. It's a gorgeous gorge.
Oh, it's a viewpoint. Is that the point of this?
It's a straight line, just down the middle. Yeah, mate. I think I need a cold one after this hike. Really go for a Carlton Draft, Carlton Dry, Great Northern.
Emu export.
Single fin, maybe a bottle of Fifth Leg, what do you think? A little cab sauv. Just crack open the esky and just get myself a nice cold one. A nice stubby. Just chuck us a stubby, mate. Was it this one or that one? Yeah, it's this guy right here. No live kangaroos just yet, but we did pass 7 very dead kangaroos in various stages of decomposition. Oh, is that it? No, it's not a dead one. I've just been so fixated on this long stretch of boring Australian road. Alright, we're on our way to the Ross Graham lookout. Most of this footage is gonna just be me doing this, but you should have seen a dude that was just walking out of here. He had like 20 flies on his back. And whenever there's sweat, the flies are attracted to that. Even the moisture under your eyes, they try to get to that area. Those are 2 Asian ladies that I'm sure we've crossed paths with several times throughout the day. Qu'est-ce qu'elle disait, Ling? 6-year-old me would not be happy right now. I would be in the car crying, eating my food because I just cannot handle all the flies and buzzing around my ear. If you're quiet, there's a buzzing sound that we hear. It's like a zzz, that, or it's all the freaking drones from the backpackers. But this is pretty much the end of the Murchison River. 700 kilometers long. This is kind of where it comes to an end. It's still part of the same stretch of river that carved out these massive gorges. Formed 400 million years ago. Okay, let's get out of here.
Oh, you have none stuck to your back.
I'm not really sweating, that's the good thing.